Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. L&T Finance to buy Fidelity's mutual fund. Kingfisher slashes its summer schedule. And markets rebound on Tuesday. First up, L&T Finance has made a surprise move in India's mutual funds industry. On Tuesday, it announced it would buy Fidelity Group's Indian mutual funds operations. It's not known how much the deal is worth, but Fidelity's average assets under management in the December quarter was 8,881 crores. Both fund houses currently make losses, but the merged company will have a 2% market share going by assets under management. Stocks of L&T Finance surged 4.62% on the BSE, even as the Sensex rose just 1.2%. In other news, struggling carrier Kingfisher has drastically cut down its schedule of flights. On Tuesday, the airline announced its roster for the summer. Kingfisher plans to fly just 20 dedicated aircraft. That will mean 120 flights every day. Of course, Kingfisher says this is only temporary and that once it gets recapitalized, it will operate its entire fleet once again. The carrier is also hoping the government will allow FDI by foreign airlines. In the meantime, it has told staff in areas not being covered to stay at home. And finally, Indian markets rebounded on Tuesday after losing ground in the previous session. The Sensex rose 205 points to 17,257 and the Nifty climbed 59 to 5,243. Investors were relieved after reports that the government's proposed general anti-avoidance rule would not apply to most participatory notes. Short covering on monthly derivatives also helped. IT and FMCG shares rose on hopes of better margins. Infosys led the pack among IT companies with a rise of 1.55% on the BSE to 2,875. The FMCG sector also fared well with ITC jumping more than 1.5% and HUL racing ahead 3.42% to 416 rupees. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.